Some takeoff and landing practice. Let's see what happens. Was good. Pumps, lights, fixture props. Trim is set, flaps are set. Another W and get a nice crosswind. Then we'll come back here and get a nice landing. Sun's down the runway, along with the wind. 1500. And the gear is green. Gauges are good. Airspeed's alive. Wind just changed from the right. Brakes. Here. Blue line commit. Expect some bumps. Start the throttle. Alright, winds are out of the west. Come back in. Left pump, right pump, gears up, lights, gals are being shot. No one at the W. Alright, we're warmed up. I'll stay on the mains for this. We're at the peak. Turn on the 45. Headlights. Sun in my eyes. Alright. Winds are out of the west. A little light. 3,200 pounds. So, been some light and it's cold. 15 inches. Midfield, gears coming down. 140 miles an hour. Little trim for that. On the mains, gears confirmed down, pumps are on, lights are on, mixture props to go. Beam the numbers, 15, first notch of flaps, just top of the white arc. Now because light, I'll reduce the power an inch. Little trim, second flap. I want to slow up to about 115 here. Mixture comes up, props come up, back an inch, up trim an inch. Gears confirmed down, mixture of props to go, dumping all those flaps, power and back an inch, up trimming an inch. Gears down, runway's clear, 400 AGL blue line, I'm commit this to landing. Set up this crab, blue line. I'll hold this because of the wind, back an inch, up trimming it. Back an inch, up trimming it. Clear the trees, power to idle, bringing it to the runway. Up. Direct left crosswind. Fly the plane, maintain directional control, let her roll. The hell did this guy go? That was ugly. Gears up. Left pump. Right pump. Alright, now it's in South Jersey, I'll stay on the mains. Lights will stay on. Got a slub for gear, so initially it's pull her back to 17, 24-ish. Alright, pumps are off, gears up. Everybody's good to go. Alright. Since I'm light, 15. Trim. Within gear speed. On the mains, I got G. Lights are on. Alright. Within the white arc, 15, flaps, 1, 2, 3. Alright, got G, gears down, pumps. Power back, 13 inches, flaps. I go base 115. I got GG, UM, everything's done. Commit this to landing. I should have a stiff headwind, so I'll keep this a little hot. Now I'm at blue line, 400. Final gum check, gears confirmed down. Back an inch, up trim an inch. Back an inch, up trim. Trim is done. Taking this to the runway. Holding it. Little float there. Alright, there you go.